Hi, in this video we're going to go over how to find court records in the state of Pennsylvania. To get started, visit pennsylvaniapublicrecords.org. On the homepage you will notice an alphabetized list of public resources available. Now some of these might be useful to you. We're going to focus on court records today, and so for the most sought after records we have specific pages. So anything from background checks to an inmate search. So locate the court records tab, and so on these more informal pages, information, they're just packed with more information compared to the list on the home page. You'll find the multiple court record databases. Well, these are the different these are the different courts in the state of Pennsylvania, and what it goes through is it describes what each of the courts does and what database you might potentially need to access to gain information regarding these records. So let's say if you're looking for felony or maybe eviction records, you would want to look at a particular court. And you can find a link at certain times here to an online database, and in certain cases you would have to go to a public terminal to do this research. So it just depends on what type of court record information you're looking for. You can figure out which court covers that particular situation. Another thing to consider is, if I click on background checks here, is you also have certain courts at the county level that also provide this information. So you can, instead of using like a statewide search system, you can actually use the information at the county level. So certain counties will have their own databases, and that's where the records originate. That's where they're the freshest, the most up to date. So these are really important to use also if you can figure out exactly which county you're searching the records from. So another thing to consider is the name box on top, and this allows you to search not only at the county level, state level, but at it across multiple states, across multiple databases. So if you're looking, say, for criminal court information or civil court information, let's say in Pennsylvania, but the person has cases coming out of maybe Tennessee or Georgia, now they're living in Pennsylvania, you're not necessarily going to see this information. So it gives you more of a nationwide look into someone's public databases, court records, criminal records, financial records, things like that. Also private databases, things like cell phone numbers and things like that. So it's good to utilize both tools, just depending on what your research, what your court record search is all about. So you have the options here. Once again, it's pennsylvaniapublicrecords.org. Come on down and get started on your Pennsylvania court records check. Thank you.